5.
Hi, I'm Austen. I'm 10 years old and I'm new.
Okay, so tonight we're doing the taste test challenge. They're going to pick a number. There's cups full of goodies down here. Whatever number they pick is what goodie they get to try. The first one that knows the answer, well, as soon as they know the answer, they'll put their hands up. We'll call on them. If they get it right, they get a point, and the winner gets to eat Halloween candy for dinner. Okay, so Austen, you're first. You pick number 9. Daddy will put number 9 on the plate for you and tell you when to go.
Okay, move your hands off your plate.
Okay, guys.
It's on your plate.
1, 2, 3. Take a bite.
Pick it up, find it, pick it up.
Banana!
You
Okay,
can't just shout it out.
Mason.
Banana.
All right, we'll give you each a point there since Wilson didn't follow the rules and just shouted out the
I
answer.
forgot.
Okay, well, there's an empty cup in front of you for garbage.
So, Mason and Wilson.
And Austen, they each get a point.
Ew.
Okay, Mason.
What?
Yeah,
That's your water.
Pick a number.
pick a number from.
6.
Okay, number 6.
Let me find number 6. Alright.
Now wait till Daddy.
No, I didn't.
Let's not argue.
This is my love cup. Mine has a banana in it. Because it's banana.
Okay, guys. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Take a bite and wait till you. Wilson.
Potato chips.
Yes. Okay, Wilson gets a point.
Have another.
No, we're doing the taste challenge. Okay, Wilson, pick a number.
12.
Number 12. Now wait, Wilson.
Now, no touching, no nothing until we say go.
1, 2, 3, go. Mason.
Cheese.
Very good.
Okay, if you don't want it,
If you don't want to
take it
put
off
it in your
plate.
empty cup,
Take a drink of your water, kind of rinse your mouth
yeah,
out.
cleanse your palate a little bit.
Where is my empty cup?
Probably knocked it on the floor. Where's it?
There.
Where is it?
Yours is.
Okay, Austen, your turn. No, don't pick 6, 9, or 12.
8.
Number 8.
Austin's going down.
Number 8.
That potato chip was good.
Yep.
Can I have another?
1, 2, 3, go.
Oreo.
Aww.
You just shouted it out, though, dude.
Austen.
Oreo.
We'll give that point to Austen since Wilson isn't
All right.
listening.
What
And
do
no,
we do?
no crying.
Eat it?
Can I put this in here?
Do you want to eat it?
Mm-hmm.
Put it in your cup, then. Yes.
Wilson, stop shouting out the answer. You're going to be disqualified.
No, I ain't. You are.
Okay, Mason, pick a number.
1.
Number 1.
Number 1.
This sounds
1, 2, 3, go. Hands up, don't shout it out. Mason.
cheese curls? Those things?
That's not right, is it?
It's called a cheese curl thing.
Technically not. Wilson.
What do you say?
Cheese puff. Oh. Dada.
Is it a cheese? Don't. You can put your mask down.
I can't.
Why can't you?
It's starting open.
Well, stop messing with it.
Technical difficulties.
Austen.
Huh.
Is that better?
Yeah.
So, Wilson said cheese puff. Is it really a cheese puff?
It's the technical name for it is puffin corn. Puff corn.
So I'm
No.
giving Wilson that point.
No points. No.
You
Yes.
giving a...
No, no points because they didn't get the name right.
We didn't give Austin a chance to guess, but that's all right.
Sorry, Austin. Okay, Wilson, it's your turn.
Number
2,
11.
3, 4, 5, 7, 10, or 11.
11.
Number 11.
Oh, big.
This sounds like something.
Of course
Don't
it
touch
sounds
until we say touch.
And put your hand up and don't shout it out. 1, 2, 3, taste.
Austin, you waste too much time feeling.
Oh,
Austin,
one of them Hershey's chocolate bars.
that's it.
Yay.
Ew.
You don't like that?
I like them, but
Rinse your mouth out. Okay, who picked that one? Mason?
no.
Well, Austin.
Austin. Okay, Mason, it's your turn. You got 2, 3, 4, 5. What are the other two? Thanks for the help. 10 or 7.
7.
Number 7. Lucky number 7.
That's my lucky number.
Okay, no peeking, no cheating.
This is kind of getting itchy.
Oh, you're to get over it.
Well, we only have 5 cups left.
Wilson, stop messing with your blindfold, dude.
Okay, we ready?
Oh no, it came off.
1,
Just close your eyes.
2, 3, go.
Close your eyes.
Don't shout it out. Mason.
What are they called?
1, 2,
Wait, no.
3. Austin.
Yes!
Austin got it.
Hey, you didn't let me go.
You gotta be quicker, dude.
I couldn't remember.
Well,
Only getting
that's
so many
part of the
seconds.
game.
Close your eyes.
I gotta do something.
Put them down. Stop trying to peek. Lean forward.
I wanna
Wilson.
peek,
Stop playing with yours.
but mine hurt. Ow.
Jesus.
I'm just pushing mine on my eyes.
All right. Are you set? You
I have to stay like this.
just keep your eyes shut and stop messing with it.
Okay, Wilson, you have number 2, 3, 4, 5, or 10.
Did you wait a minute? Okay.
10.
Number 10. Oh boy.
Uh-oh.
There's only 2, 3, 4, and 5.
There's
think I-
4 left, so we skipped someone.
Me. I
Wilson.
didn't get to go.
No, we didn't.
No, we skipped Wilson.
Yeah, I think we skipped Wilson.
Yeah,
No,
you
Wilson
did.
just picked.
No, that last one.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Take a bite. Raise your hand when you know what it is. Mason.
Broccoli.
Very good.
Ew. I was like, what is this? I was like, oh, I forget what it's
Okay, put it in your cup if you don't want it. Spit it out in your cup. Do whatever. Austin's still eating it.
I
I want to see what it tastes like.
Can I have it?
Have what?
I want the ball.
Okay, well, you can have some after we're done.
We got more.
Okay, Austin. 2, 3, 4, or 5.
2.
I like it how you put a sock around my head.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Eat
Take
it.
a bite.
I don't know what.
Wilson, come on, dude.
Where is it?
Mason. Wait. Wilson, you feel your plate? Well, it doesn't matter
Did you
anyways.
pick on me?
Mason, go ahead.
A yellow Skittle.
Very, very specific. You sure you can't see
I
there?
had a red Skittle, I'm pretty sure.
I don't think yours was red.
Was it?
No, I don't think so. I think yours was
Okay,
purple.
Mason, 3, 4, or 5?
5 because it's closest to my lucky number.
All right then.
I'm itchy. That sounds
Also, I'm scooting your plate a little bit closer to you.
Can you scoop mine?
Yours is
Okay,
there.
1, 2, 3, taste. Wilson,
Telegram.
very good.
How do you know? I just tasted it.
Okay,
I don't like
Wilson.
Hmm.
Number 3 or 4?
4.
4.
Yeah.
Okay.
No fair. I don't get the last one. I'm probably.
Nobody does. It's just automatic.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, taste. That was kind of close there. Wilson,
Cookie.
what kind of cookie?
Chocolate chip.
Okay.
What is this?
It's a chocolate chip cookie.
Hello.
Are you?
Wait a minute.
Am I sure? Yes, I'm
Yes,
sure.
Mason, what?
Can you wait? Can
For
you
what?
get
Well, yeah, go ahead and chew.
We got one more. Put your blindfold
Stop
back on.
cheating, boy.
I can't even see.
Well, you
That's
just
the
took your
point.
mask off. Okay, so you had to eat all the cookie.
Okay, take a drink, and we got
Chew
one.
up your cookie, swallow.
And we got one left. Number 4. Number 3, I mean.
Wait, I probably know
Know what?
what it is.
Oh, yeah? What is
A Lunchable?
Yeah, we're going to give you a whole Lunchable.
it? Yeah. Right.
Okay, we all take a drink.
Everybody got a drink. Everybody's mouth is clean.
Well, yeah. It's nothing.
Just
No,
wait. Move
it's
your
not
hands.
on your
Everybody's
plate
hands
yet.
off their plate.
You have to be specific
Wait.
with
Don't
this
touch until we say touch.
Come on, you chicken nugget.
one. 1, 2, 3, bite.
Oh, I just smushed it.
Mason,
Squishy.
come on.
There's orange
You're going to miss
chips.
your
I
shot.
know what it is.
Say what it is.
Orange chips.
It's
I lost
orange
mine.
chips. It is orange in color.
Now we're done.
Okay.
We'll give it to him.
Yep,
It is an
it was
orange
a
chip.
Pringle. So you guys
I
had
was gonna say a cheddar
you
Pringle.
guys had a
Well, you would've been
3-way tie. You
Wow.
each got 4.
Oh,
And then
makes the mess
Wilson
again.
takes the cake. Okay, guys, you can take off your blindfolds and say bye to everybody.
Bye. I can't say.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Join us-
Thank you for
join us-
watching.
Thank you
for
for
watching.
Thank you for watching.
joining
Goodbye.
us next time.